What's up, everybody? My name is Leigh. Welcome to Dance with VS, VersaStyle's online street dance tutorials. Today we're going to be working on popping with the chest. Let's get started. Okay, so popping with the chest, pretty self-explanatory. You really want to try to flex the muscle groups in your chest. However, there is a little bit of an isolation when you are doing the chest pop, okay? And this is how I was taught by my mentors and teachers of this dance. Like I said in the last tutorial, popping with the arms, you want to be as relaxed as possible. So you want to show that intensity for that specific beat or rhythm that we're trying to apply to, and then have that relaxation. Okay, so backing up with it in terms of the movement and the technique, just showing from the front view, all I'm going to do is just breathe in, and naturally my chest rises or goes out. And then I breathe out, goes back into neutral. Again, breathe in, and out. Again, facing the side, I'm just going to go boom, and back, yeah? So we use that mechanic, but we do it in a sporadic way, yeah? So we make it where it's like pop, pop. So I'm doing the isolation from my back into my chest, and I'm just going pop, back. So it's an isolation. Isolate, back. Now, you may have a question like, well, are you flexing your muscles in your pecs or in your chest? Yes, I am doing that at the same time. However, I do like to use that effect of the isolation of the back and coming back in. Yeah, so pop, back in. Pop, back in. Pop, back in. Pop, back in from the side. 5, 6, 7, and pop, back in, pop, back in, pop, back in, pop, back in. Now, key things that you want to focus on when you're popping the chest, you don't want to thrash the shoulders back while popping the chest, because then you're just going to have this kind of jerk movement, which then therefore can start evolving into a rock, and that's totally something different, right? So let's focus on the isolation of the rib cage and the chest, and just going out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. From the side, one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and pop, back, pop, back, pop, back, pop, back. All right? I'm going to face front. Let's try to do that a little bit faster. 4 pops, okay? 5, 6, 7, and pop, 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 pop. One more time. 4 pops. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and pop, 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 pop. Again, 5, 6, 7, and pop, 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 pop. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. To the side. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So, as you notice, though I was talking about slightly arching the back, isolating the rib cage and the chest, I don't want to overly do it either. I just want to get the feeling of it, of okay, how does my back and my chest go out of the neutral ground and then come back in. So I don't want to even do like a massive this. I just want to know what it feels like and show that chest pop. In time, you will build that intensity with correct form. One more time. You will build that intensity of the pop with correct form. So let's remember that. Let's not try to overcompensate to get that hard pop and then we're using everything else. How do you just boom, pop, 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 pop? Yeah? That's with the intensity with good form. Okay? So, I'm going to do 8 to the front, 8 to the side, and 8 back to the front, and then we'll try with some music. All right? Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I'm going to do them again with the music, and then after I face the front, side, front, I might just kind of freestyle a little bit, facing a diagonal, I isolate maybe more. Feel free to follow me or just feel free to watch, okay? Here we go. in the sequence that we did with the music and then a little bit of the freestyle, you saw that I was kind of taking it in different directions. You saw I was playing with different timing. You noticed maybe I was popping only on what we call the 2 or the clap. Please feel free to practice that way, where maybe you want to practice single pops or you want to practice with the timing of the music. Have fun with it, enjoy it, try to experiment with it. Again, like I said in the last tutorial, practice makes progress. So the more you practice, the better we're going to get and the more body awareness we're going to have. It's really important, especially in the style of popping, to understand our bodies, because we're using muscle groups, we're trying to dance at the same time and apply it to a rhythmic beat. That's a lot of this going on, y'all. So how do we keep practicing? How do we keep having fun at the same time? Yeah? So please think about those things and enjoy it. All right, y'all, that's it for today with Popping the Chest. Thank you for dancing with VS, Versastyle's online street dance tutorials. If you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe. You can also follow Versastyle at VersastyleLA on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want to get to know more about me, you can follow me on Instagram at official_BreezeLeigh. I hope to see you on the next one. Until then, keep it popping, keep it funky. Peace.